Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a floating WhatsApp button onto your HTML website. This is pretty simple to do if I'm building my website with WordPress, but in this video I have a HTML website and it can get a lot messier if I'm building my website with HTML. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add it somewhere around the left hand side or the right hand side as well. So with this template I already have this button go back to the top at the right hand side, so obviously I'm going to add that to the left hand side. Okay, so it's going to be floating, and when a user clicks on it, it's going to take the user to the WhatsApp DM of the company or whatever. So let's get started into this video. I already have the website up and running, as you can see, so I'll head over to my cPanel. From my cPanel I'm going to click on the file manager, and from my file manager I'm going to open up the public_html. This depends on where your website files are living. So here are basically my website files, and you can see the index.html is the home page right here. So I'll first add it to the home page and let's see how it's going to look. So I'll open up my index.html to edit, and I click on edit again. So here is the code for the index.html file right here. Okay, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. Now, if you want to ask the reason why I had to scroll to the end of the file, that's just simply because I love to add all the scripting codes towards the end of the file. So due to that, I'm going to add the code right here. So you can see the go back to the top button right here. I added it towards the end of the file as well. So you can see that right here, back to the top. I'm also going to add that after the back to the top button. So I'm pretty much going to add that right here. So I've already copied it to my clipboard, so I'm going to paste that. As you can see, the WhatsApp floating button right here. So I'm going to paste this into a file, a text file, and I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. So if you want to use it, you can go ahead. And over here, I'll show you how to enter your own WhatsApp number. So right from the A tag right here, you can see this section where it says your number here. Make sure you remove this and then go ahead and enter your own WhatsApp number. Now you're going to enter your WhatsApp number in an international format, but you are going to exclude the plus. So let me quickly enter my own WhatsApp number, and I'm going to precede it with the international code, which for Nigeria is 234. But you can notice that I just skipped the plus. So I'm going to enter my number right now. So over here, I've just entered my number, and I'm going to click on Save Changes. And also you can notice that the WhatsApp icon I'm using is going to be pulled up from the upload.wikimedia.org. So with that, I'm good to go. I don't need to manually upload the WhatsApp logo. Since I've saved the changes, I'll head back to the website and I'll make a quick reload. And there we have the WhatsApp button. So let's scroll all to the bottom and you can see it's floating. It's floating. Now let's test it by clicking on it. And there we go. Yeah, it led us to another tab, and as you can see right here, it's preceded with a message, hi there. So if you're already logged into your WhatsApp, it's going to take you to your WhatsApp straight, and you can reach out to this company, or your customers can reach out to you. So that's basically how to add a floating WhatsApp button onto your HTML website. Now, if you want to add it to other pages of your website, because it's a HTML website, now you're going to go ahead and copy this code right here, and of course you want to edit the entire pages one after the other, and then you're going to add this code and save changes for all the pages right here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question as well, leave it in the comments, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.